Hey everybody, I'm Ben Light. I'm an ultra runner and Redmond athlete. Today, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite Tuesday meals, my Taco Tuesday, utilizing the Redmond ground beef and obviously the real salt taco seasoning. So at this time, we're going to add the chopped onions and we're going to add a pound of ground beef. I am a low-carb athlete. Now, don't get that wrong. It's not no carb, it's low carb. So what you're doing is basically we are manipulating our body. Your body is like, hey, I'm not getting as much carbs, so I need to prioritize fat for fuel. And when you're doing that, you'll actually optimize your fat utilizing process. So now that the meat's browning and the onions are getting all cooked and everything like that, we are going to go ahead and add the secret sauce, the taco seasoning. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons or teaspoons? Tablespoons. 1.5 tablespoons. Oh, buddy. Here we go. Look at that. Now we're just going to go ahead and add some 1/4 cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of Primal Kitchen ketchup. So I just went ahead and removed the tacos or the ground beef and the onions and everything to the side to keep it just warm. So now we're going to work on our corn tortillas. So when we're more strict, we'll do cheddar cheese and to fry the cheddar cheese and then like pull it off and let it solidify, and just make it basically a taco shell out of the cheese. So this is our rotating taco display. We got our cheese, cheddar cheese, we got a cilantro, we have avocado and our salsa, and then right dead center is our main taco meat. So I'm going to take this, load some of the tacos. Oh man, that's so good. You guys are in for a treat. I'm not crying, you're crying. I call myself a meat-eating vegan. How does Martha Stewart do that? She's like a pro.